welcome back to, hello. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some sort of slime, and I lost the lid. I've already used it. I am using the Halu Unicorn Beach Unicorn Foam Lotion. And it's the glow. So basically what it is, it's like foaming hand soap, but lotion. So like, it's really cool. That was just me squishing it. I added probably a lot on. If y'all are wondering what this is on my arm, that is the pan flag. Because I am a pan, if you didn't know that. Coming out video. No. I'm not really going to do coming out video. Mostly because, like, I just don't want to start a war between my family and my friends. But I already did. And my dad. Anyways, today I'm going to I have my clear glue, my lotion of course, and then I have my borax solution already up there, so that should be good. I need something to mix with, and I have these little forks, which are stinking adorable. These little appetite forks. Sorry, I'm wearing a crappy shirt. And I think I might add just a little bit of glitter there. So first choice is this. It's very pretty. Second choice is this. I might add both. I did have these cute little shapes, but I decided to use them all in a slime. So I might be also doing ASMR. I'm trying to balance. Okay, I'm using a selfie stick as a GoPro and my phone because I can't. Well, I can, but I just didn't want to get one. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my pop socket out of the way. Is that good? I think that's good. Okay. In the comments below, write down your favorite song. Mine personally has to be "Only You" by Cheat Codes, and I forgot who they duetted it with, but like, it's a good song. Once upon a time I had it all. Upon a time we had it all. Sorry if y'all don't want to hear me singing, then just skip ahead. I don't know how to edit on a phone. That's sad. But what I think I'm gonna do is I think I might be using because then I have to get some boxes out. Never mind. Let's do something fun. I have the stamp pad and I have these stamps. So let's stamp something on here when we're finished. Now I think we're just gonna add. This is just like shaving foam, I guess. I guess it's enough. Oh, it expanded a lot more than I thought it would. Do y'all see that? That's crazy. Like, anyways, let's mix it. Oh no. I used to use pencils to make my slime, like to mix it. Is it already activating? That would be crazy if it did. Oh my gosh. I think this is activating. That was really loud and I'm anxious. I'm trying to fix this. I'm sorry, y'all. Maybe if we put it in my blinds? No, I think it was the way we had it. Oh, hi. Oh, that's a lot better. Like, it looks like it's activating. Maybe it's just the lotion. Something just bit me. Ow! Sorry for ear rape. I feel like it's activating. I don't know. Like, look at that. It's so close to activating, like. And it even feels like it, y'all. That is crazy how it feels like it's activating. Oh, there's still more glue. Hold on, let me mix that in. Now let's add our activator. I'm using a, oh, Sharp Water, not sponsored. I'm using a borax and water solution. I don't really measure. I just throw a little bit of borax into a cup of water, and then I just heat that up and I put it in my water bottle, and then you're done. Bam. Now it's activating now, which is this. It's kind of weird. Oh, there we go. It activates. This isn't like as good as I expected it. It does. Now this is like a. This looks like marshmallow. Like. Let's see if we can fix this, because this is not good. This is not what we want. We want it to be fluffy, and we want it to be soft and spreadable. I don't think fluffy slimes could do that. But still, you get the point. Sorry if my desk looks a little messy. Why are you in here? Leave! Twistable has left the chat. Oh, I can't really describe the texture. Melted marshmallow. There you go. It even looks like it too, if you can see that iridescentness. If you're wondering where I got the foam lotion, I got it in my local Walmart near the bath aisle where like all the baby soaps are. Not the shampoo aisle, but the aisle where like the body stuff is. So like the shower caps, the face masks, the loofahs. It's in my local Walmart. It's right next to the makeup aisle. So I think this was just a complete fail. I still have a little bit of faith. So we're just gonna keep on mixing. If y'all hear a door, that's probably my mom coming in from work. If you're wondering what that sound is, that's my fan, if you can see it. Ah! Pan, you good? Sorry, my snake, he just fell off of his tree. Pan is the man. So, this is interesting. You know what, let's put this off to the side, and I'll go back and fix it. I'm wondering if just the lotion itself would activate, so let's add a little bit of that. Dun, dun, dun. I feel like it would. I feel like it has some sort of PVA in it. It honestly, whoa, wait a minute. it's probably just the glue on the symbol. But it honestly did nothing. Like, that was disappointing. Anyways, back to this slime. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, oh, there's my mom. Uh-huh. So we're just gonna mix this in. Oh, what's the pink? Oh. Maybe we can just make it softer. Maybe I can add some more glue. I don't know. So basically, this is what we have now. It's a flubber. Barely poke it up. Let me get all this off my hands. If y'all just want to see the end results, go ahead and like skip up some. I don't know exactly when, but like maybe a few minutes. Ah. Ah. And fell. So basically we have this. It's like putty. So I'm probably gonna go and add a little bit more glue. Like, it's not even slime, so there we go. Oh, what is happening? I don't know why I started doing that. So, there is stuff getting in there. This, okay. So basically, this is what happened. So we're just gonna put this in a container and we're gonna wait a couple days and I'll come back to y'all with the update. Not in this video, but probably in a part 2. So I will keep y'all updated. So bye.